Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to create a Google account for your kids. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. Then come to the address bar right here and go ahead and type in create kids Google account. Then hit on search. Then it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and click on the first result right here, and the URL is accounts.google.com. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Create a Google account for your child. Next thing you want to do is to click on yes, continue. Enter your kid first name. Enter their surname. And go ahead and click on next. Then enter their date of birth. Enter the month. Then enter the year. Select the gender. Go ahead and click on next. Choose how kids will sign in. You can either create your own Gmail address or better still, use a particular Gmail for them right here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to select the first one right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on next. Then here, go ahead and enter password. Then confirm the password. Then go ahead and click on next. Confirm that you are not a robot. So what you need to do right here is to enter your personal phone number right here for a Google verification. Once you enter your phone number, click on next, and a verification code is going to be sent to you. Enter the verification code, and an account will be created for your kids. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.